this means.
Story is the king! Let's eat here!
What?
Let's eat here!
What? I can't hear you.
Why are you that far?
You told me to be this far.
Let's eat here!
Don't eat here.
But this is the king of burgers, right?
But they don't have the best burgers.
You don't? Many big YouTubers say gears don't matter. Story is more important. Story is the king. But what is the king? I am so confused what a king really is. Because apparently, king doesn't mean what it is supposed to. Is story the king? I need the answer. Are you hungry? Maybe not food, huh? How about some coffee? Do you want coffee from 7-Eleven? How about Starbucks? How about Coffee Bean? If you just want to stay awake, caffeine from any kinds of coffee can furnish you that. But good coffee does more than that. Good coffee heightens consuming experience through sensory organs. If story is coffee, gear is how the coffee being served. Gear provides audience not just coffee, but good coffee. And if story is the king, I will serve you, the prettier king. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Chained to Air. And as you're watching right now, this is just me announcing you guys that I'm switching from filming with iPhone Max Pro 12 Max Pro to be exact, to this big bad boy Canon EOS 90D. The experience is gonna be better, everything is gonna be enhanced. And hold on one second. Yo, what's up? I'm filming right now. Hell yeah, I just switched to my new camera, Canon 90D. Yeah, now I can answer your phone. No more putting airplane mode, all those kind of things, dude. Hell yeah. You should subscribe my channel. Did you? You did not? You're like my best friend. You don't have YouTube account? Sign up right now and subscribe, dude. And you should too.